Hey, Steve Gardner here with eXp Realty. Wanted to show you some really cool features of my website. I have a lot of customers that love it and use it to search for homes. It's really intuitive and very user-friendly. I've been on a lot of websites. There's a lot of them out there, and some of them are just real difficult. The one I have it's pretty fun. So I was going to show you a couple tips. Especially if you're doing property searches. This is at Gardnersells.com. And once again, before I dive in here, if you find this information useful and interesting, I do have a YouTube channel you can subscribe to, which have all these videos, all my KV Core stuff, buyer tips, seller tips, all the market reports, all that sort of stuff is available to look at. All right, so let's dive in. So this is the front page of my website. We have a search box right here, but if you go up to property search right up here and you click on this, the way I have it set up, it's in a picture grid form, but it basically gives you the most popular listings that people basically are looking at right now. But you can switch this to map form right here. You can go to list or map. Map is depends on what you like to do, but I like to do this. It can kind of zero it in. And then let's say you wanted to, you can click over here, more filters. Let's say you want, well, I just want Port Orange, okay? So you can go in here and you can type in Port Orange, okay? Then let's say, well, I don't want to look at multifamily or land or townhouses. I just want to see single family homes. Then you can kick at bedrooms. Let's do 3-bedroom plus. 2-bath, okay? You can put square footage, you can put year built. If you want newer homes, you can put just, and here's some other great things, just listed, open houses, fixer-uppers. Let's say you just wanted Port Orange with a pool, that sort of thing. We could do that and put that in there. So let's say you just want something with fireplaces. I just want a house with a fireplace, or just one story and that sort of thing. So you can really dive in here and make some changes. Once you have this all filled out, you go to the apply filters. And what it's going to do for you is it's going to just pull up what you asked for. Okay, so we asked for single family homes on the market. There's 124, and we can take a look at them this way. Now, the real fun part is if you switch this to map view, you can kind of, what's good about this is you will be able to see where they're located by zooming in and out of places. So very useful. Let's say also you like an area just around here. You can go over here and you can use the draw tool. You say, you know, I'm just interested in houses south of Madeline. Boom, boom, this area. Okay, kind of towards west of 95, maybe a little bit over there. Click on it. Hit apply. And all we have is 3 right now showing in those areas for sale. So it's gonna do that. Then what you can do, you can save these things into your favorites. Let's say you'll click on this. Let's see, oh, that looks interesting. You can view the details specifically on it, and then you can save it. Okay. If you wanted to share it on Facebook to a friend or somebody, you could do that too. Share on Pinterest. You can request a showing, which will contact me to say, hey, I'm interested in this property. You can ask me a question about it, or just save it to your list. And once you log into my website, it will keep track of what you have. Okay. So, and then when you go back in, you'll have your saved list. It's very useful. Anyway, so I just wanted to dive in on my website and give a little instruction. It's a great tool, and it's very useful, and I hope you found it useful. And once again, if you're interested in this sort of thing and found this useful to you, just check out my YouTube page. You can subscribe to my channel and also my Facebook business page. These things are posted there. All right, until next time, thanks, take care.